Hi, today I will tell you how to get Amazon App Store. Open Settings. Search Region Settings. Change region to United States. Now go to Windows Insider and change it to Beta. Now restart your computer. Open Microsoft Store and search Amazon App Store. Click on Install. Click on Download. Click on Open Amazon App Store. Now sign in with your Amazon account. Now if you live in United States you can use this, but if you don't live there you will need to use a VPN.